You see that red car over there? Yeah. Good morning. Come, let's go clean it, because that's gonna be my future car when I get my license, and I'm gonna be driving that car. So we have to leave this car clean. You know what? So yeah, y'all gonna come along with me and clean that car today, because we don't want that car to be dirty. Bruh, I'm literally forgetting the car keys. All of this gotta go. The before, let's see the back. Ew. Yeah, you see all of this? Yeah, we gotta clean, we gotta get the water vacuum, we gotta do everything to clean this. So now I'm gonna start vacuuming, and then I'm gonna do the water vacuum. Looking so far. Yes. I'm really manifesting this is gonna be my car. Like, what?
You're really manifesting this car to be yours?
Yeah.
I thought you said you wanted
You think straight and get my license, you know, take that 4-hour course, and because it's gonna be my car. You know, we gotta clean all the negative stuff that's in here. So when I drive it today and there. Y'all, I'm manifesting that this car is gonna be mine. So this is the end results, y'all. We just gotta do a whole deep car clean. That's the end of cleaning this lovely car with me.